Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to authorize TikTok on iPhone. If you're using TikTok and you're having this type issue that your login is unable to authorize, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to go back and here you have to scroll down and you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And once you have checked, you must have to go back, open up your settings, and here you have to open the account center. From here, tapping on your Apple account, then tap on sign in and security, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled two-factor authentication for your Apple account. Once you have checked, you must have to go back and then open up your general, then scroll down and you will get the VPN and device management. Simply tap on it, and here you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected you have to try to disconnect and then go back, and here open the general section again, then go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. Once you have checked, you just have to go back and here open the iPhone storage again, and then look for TikTok app, and here you just have to select try to offload, then tap on the offload option. And once you have offloaded your app, you must tap to tap on reinstall, and after installation your problem will be fixed and you can easily log into your TikTok account, and you will not get any option that unable to authorize your TikTok on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.